इथं जे रन करतो ना तो तुझा पहिला प्रोग्राम रन होतो इथं. तो काय
हां
करायचं,
हां हां
कॉन्फिगरेशनमध्ये जायचं आणि हे जे पहिले जे आहेत ना ते लेफ्ट साईडला
हां हां हां
कॉन्फिगर ते सगळे डिलीट करा. ओके, जसे
ते
असत
सगळं
नाही
डिलीट करू.
डिलीट करायचे आणि तिथं तो आला पाहिजे, तुझा जो प्रोग्राम आहे ना तो आला पाहिजे.
हां
जसं
हां
मी
हां
तर सुपरचा सबचा आहे, तो हा प्रोग्राम असा जसं सुपर सबचा आहे तो तिथं दिसला पाहिजे, तरच ते होतं.
हां.
तो हे
ठीक आहे
सगळे
ठीक
ना
आहे सर.
क्रिएट मर्ज एंड रन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है, ये यहाँ पर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में चेंज करना पड़ता है दिस जावा एप्लीकेशन. ओके, तभी जाके ये
ठीक
रन
आहे
होगा, अदरवाइज इट विल नॉट रन, इट विल द प्रीवियस प्रोग्राम विल गेट रन.
ठीक आहे सर, मी ट्राय करून बघतो. थँक्यू.
ओके. So okay, any doubts from the remaining students? Asha, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Vaishnavi?
No, sir.
हाँ. And the rest, have you completed your assignments? कितने काउंट तक आ चुका है आपका assignments? Okay, up till here, basically I have done maximum programs we have already shared. That I have already shared the code. That is how to implement this one. That how to account. ये मैंने आठ उस दिन तो 15-16 तक तो complete किए थे, 15-16 तक.
15 तक होईल सर.
16th was also been completed. That is person. Now 17th one, 17th one. Write a program using if statement. Find the largest of three number nested if. Okay. तो 17 नंबर के लिए हम जाएंगे. 17 नंबर. ओके, सो दिस इज द प्रोग्राम नेम दैट इज लार्जेस्ट नंबर फ्रॉम द थ्री. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग हियर, टेस्ट न्यू and class. The name of my file is largest number and I will just say finish. Okay, so automatically the largest name file वही नाम रहेगा. और मैं अब इसके मैसेज और मेरा जो कोड है वो मेन फंक्शन, दैट इज आई एम जस्ट कॉपिंग द कोड and I'm just pasting into this. I don't want to waste your time. Okay, so this is one thing, right? Source, और मैं इसको थोड़ा फॉर्मेट कर देता हूँ, so automatically it will be visible. विंडो को थोड़ा सा जूम आउट कर देता हूँ. Okay, now this program is there. Now what we have done is that we have taken three numbers, A with 200, B with 100 and C with 300. Okay, and with if statement, what is the problem is very simple. They have told us write a program with if statement, find largest of the three numbers. So you can apply your logic and you can write the code of using this one. Okay, so I am just giving a comment to this part. Okay, so this will be the title of the program. And if statement first will be compared with the second. If a is greater than a will be compared with the c. If still a is greater than a is the greatest number, else c will be the greatest. And this part, that is a is greater than b, this will be checked in the if statement. So when I run this program, so we'll get that what is the greatest, c is the greatest. One second, the main function cannot find the class public static void main. I'm just copying it. Okay, now it will be running. Okay, you will get an output that c is the largest number. I just changed it to 1100, and when I save the program and when I run it, you will get b is the biggest number. So using if statement, we are counting which is the greatest number among the three. So if statement, you try at the logic. लॉजिक अभी ये सिखाने का टाइम नहीं है, अभी ये लॉजिक हम आपको नहीं पढ़ा सकता, ये इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. यू हैव टू ट्राई ऑन योर ओन हाउ टू गेट दिस लार्जेस्ट नंबर एट द रन टाइम. ओके, यस, आर यू गेटिंग दिस 17th वन नाउ? Now 18th one, using switch case, write a program to illustrate switch case, and you have to display the number. If I'm entering 0, it should display ZERO. If I'm entering 1, it should say ONE1. If I'm saying 9, it should be saying NINE. The output should be like this one. Okay, are you getting everyone?
Yes sir.
Okay, so what to do? Simple case. अभी मैं ये आपको दिखाता हूँ. This is the main function, I think so. Just copying the main function. We'll go for switch. Okay, so file, new, and class, I'll call it a switch. demo, and main function. Okay, so it will be having main function, and into this I will be just using my logic. Okay, very simple logic. Okay, so control A, I am just formatting it so that it will be visible to everybody. Format and saving the file. Okay, so it's very simple. I have written into main function. I have taken a number 5. Switch case syntax is very simple. Switch will start from here and it will end at the end. Okay, if I enter any number like this 5, it will be checked. The number will be checked with each case. Case 0, that number is not matching, it will not enter into this one. It will check for second one, as we have given 5. Second will be false, third will be false, fourth will be false, and 5 will be the false, will be acceptable. Now this part will get executed, that is 5, and we'll be getting an output here as an 5. Okay, and as we are adding break, अगर मैंने ब्रेक नहीं यूज़ किया तो ये आगे वाला सब पार्ट एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगा. सो ब्रेक इज इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड इफ अगर ये गलती से कुछ अलग नंबर आए तो इट विल शो एन इनवैलिड नंबर. दिस इज द वेरी सिंपल लॉजिक ऑफ इम्प्लीमेंटिंग योर code. So as we have entered 5, the output will be 5. If I am saying 9, it should display output as 9. 1 second. So it is saying 9. If I am saying any another number, that is 10, which is not in the case 10 यानी बाहर का number है, so whenever this is, it will say invalid number. आर यू गेटिंग? ये इनवैलिड के लिए कब जा रहा है? जब उसको ये नंबर कहाँ पर भी नहीं मिल रहा केस के अंदर. इन दो सिचुएशन इट विल बी मूविंग डायरेक्टली टू द डिफॉल्ट, एंड व्हाट इज रिटन इनटू डिफॉल्ट, दैट विल बी विजिबल इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. दैट इज इनवैलिड नंबर. इफ द नंबर इज बिटवीन 0 to 9, then it will be displaying as an output. 0 है, then it will say that this is 0. Saving the file, running the output. 0. I am saying 1, so saving the file, running the code. 1. Okay, if I enter any number greater than 9, so that will be executed, that is invalid number. So are we clear? Yes, about this 18 number. Yes or no? Yes. The next one, 19th one, Fibonacci series. पता है सबको? Fibonacci start with 1, then 1, then each number is getting added. It will start 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 4 का आएंगे क्या 5 आएंगे यहाँ पर. Okay, let us check what is the Fibonacci series. So I am just creating a Fibonacci. ये नाम मैं कॉपी कर देता हूँ, and I am creating one file over here. New and class Fibonacci. Okay, is the name of my file. I want a main function into that, and I am saying finish. So it will be creating the Fibonacci class and the main function. I am copying my logic which I have already written over here. This is my logic. I am just copying the logic and pasting my logic into my main function. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so I'm saving it, formatting it so that it will look correct. So source and format. Okay, now see, this is a count 50, 0 as a variable. This is my logic I have implemented. So I want to display the Fibonacci series. So this is the logic, and let us see the output. So what should be the output? What should be the output? What output should be like this one. Okay, so we want to display output like this one. 1 1 1. Okay, so this should be the output. Okay, let us check. So Fibonacci started with 0 1 1 2, then 3, and I have told you that it should be 5. अभी 5 के आगे का क्या चाहिए, मैं इसको minimize कर देता हूँ. Okay, I am just minimizing this file. Now see how this is being created. It always start with 0. Okay, so 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Are you getting what is this one? Previous number and next number is taken. 18 plus 13, 21. 20 प्लस के आगे वाला कौन सा रहेगा? Yes, 34. We will be getting
34.
output. Yes, we will be getting, because it is adding two numbers and then creating the third one. Here how 5 is created? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 8 plus 13 is equal to 21. 13 plus 21 is equal to 34. 34 plus 21, the next number will be generated, whatever the number it is. Okay, so Fibonacci series is adding the previous two numbers and creating a new number. Same we have done here. We have run it and we have got this range, huge number, that is 1 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 21 34, and you will find that next is 55 89 144 third 23 up to 50 numbers we have taken. Okay, so this is what is expected as far as the Fibonacci number is concerned. Logic is very simple. My intention is that you should be able to execute or use while loop. Intention is just to use your while loop. Intention is used to while loop. How you can use, previous example was very simple, how you can use your switch cases. उसके पहले वाला example था how you can use your if statement. Are you clear? Main intention is able to use this if statement, switch cases and your while loops. My basic intention is this one. So you execute this also in your practical session, then write a program to print 1 to 10 number using do while loop. My intention is very simple. I want you to use this do while loop. Okay, so we'll go for do while loop demo. Okay, so I am creating one more file, new class do while demo. Okay, and I want to main into this one. So what is my problem statement? Problem statement is very simple. I want to display print, I want to print 1 to 10 numbers using do while loop. Simple program. Okay, just to implement while loop. Okay, so just I will copy this part, do while, and paste it over here. Okay, source and this formatting. Okay, so do while will be executing starting from 1 and ending up to 10. So do will be executing everywhere the I value will be displayed and it will be checked up till 10. So just when I go for running this program, you will getting an output as 1 to 10. If you want to 100, you can change it to 100 also, and you just run it, you will get an output up to 100. Okay, intention is very simple, how to use do while loop. Okay, yes, everyone is clear with this one? Yes, everyone is clear or not? Now next program, I was expecting write a program to print even numbers between 1 to 50 using loop. Even numbers. So let us go for creating this even number. Test new class even demo. Okay, I want main function into that. That's it. I will be checking the logic. Simple logic. I'm pasting my logic over here. Control A, format, source. और ये format. ये मेरे को दिखने के लिए अच्छा. Okay. So I want even numbers from 1 to 10. So if I mod 2 is exactly equal to 2, then that number is to be found to be as an even number. That's it. So just running the program and you will be getting 1 to 10 what are even numbers are there. Are you getting? Else you can say if I want to display odd number also. So 1 is even number, 1 is odd number, 2 is even number, 3 is odd number, 4 is even number, 5 is odd number. So you can get it. If I change it this number to 100, 100% it will be running to 100. So this is the only intention of having the numbers. So even started from this one. So which is number is even, which number is odd, that can be identified using your logic. Some sankhya and visam sankhya. Okay. Next one is packages, which I have not taught, so I will not go for running this one. This will be in the remaining part of the day. Okay, so I'm expecting that you should complete up to 21, and 23 is also feasible. You can do this one also. Write a program to accept roll number, name of 3 subject, calculate total and percentage, and display the result. Can you do this one? Yes or no? क्या सिखाऊं उसको? Yes. क्षितिज, निकिता, Vaishnavi, can you do this assignments now? Up to 21, 23 you can do. No need to do 22. This I will be teaching you how to make a packages and all those things. I think this is up to 23 is okay for this week. Sitish, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Can you try now at home? Pranjali?
Okay.
Pranjali, are you trying? Samadhan?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, you try, and I'm expecting that you should try, and you will get up till 23. Don't use the go for packages. Okay, and I think in the previous example I have missed something, but I think you can do this one, that the constructor and all those things. Okay, this is function, superclass and subclass, overriding and all those things. I have already taught you. Just go for implementing it. I have already shared the code for implementing this one. Yes. So expecting that you should utilize your time for executing a program up to 23. Yes, except this 22 one. Hmm? You can try as much as you can. The more you try, you will be more efficient. We probably in the next week, the class colleges might be starting. So okay, next week might college may get started. So no issues about if you have any technical problems, that will be covered in the practical session. So there is not an issue. Okay, so till then, till we meet physically in the colleges, I am expecting that you should complete at least 20 first 20 assignments in a very precise way, so that it will be very much comfortable for you to all. Okay, so would you spend your time now for executing your assignments now? Yes. Shall we stop for the day now? Yes, I want a feedback, Nikita.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you try it. If you have any doubt, you just share with me. We'll meet. Okay, no issue about that. Okay, so carry on with your assignments. Hmm? Okay then. Good day. Hmm?